Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your history on your Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear your history on Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Click on menu icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on History. In case if there is a history, you can simply delete or clear your history from this interface. As you can see, there's no activity on the history yet. I won't be able to clear the history. But if you do, you can simply go ahead and clear your history from this interface. This is how you can clear your history on Western Union's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.